Myself Rituja Nirvan and welcome to my YouTube channel Rituja Ki Pathshala. So we are seeing the categories in the SQL command and commands in the SQL. Okay. Now today we are going to see the difference between the drop, truncate and delete, because I have seen, guys, many of the people are getting confused in between the three options. Okay, so now if the interviewer asks you any type of question regarding these three options, you should not get confused and you should be able to crack the interview. You should be able to crack that question which is asked by the interviewer very successfully. Okay, so now today we are going to see the difference between the drop, truncate and delete option. Okay, so here as in front of in the screen, as you can see, difference between drop, truncate and delete. So I would like to tell you guys, the drop option comes under DDL, that is data definition language category. Then truncate option comes under the DDL, that is data definition language category, and delete option comes under the DML, that is data manipulation language category. Okay. Now I would like to tell you guys, just look in bit of the theory of these three options in just for the few seconds. Okay, and after that we are going to see the implementation as well for the getting clarification in these three options. So I would like to tell you guys, the drop option comes under DDL, first thing. Then second thing, drop option is having the syntax as drop table name. Okay, here I have taken table name as tree. Okay, now what is the purpose of the drop option which comes under DDL category? That it removes the data which is present in the table, which is present in your database. Okay, where remove the data which is present in the table, existing table, and also it remove complete structure of the table. Means if you are doing drop table tree, so you will not able to after executing this command, you will not able to access this tree table. You will not able to see the data, as well as you will not able to access the tree table. It will show you the syntax that error, that invalid syntax, no invalid object, invalid object syntax error. Okay, so this kind of error you will going to see here. Okay, this is the drop thing. Now let's come to the second option, that is called as truncate, which comes under DDL category. Now truncate is having the syntax as truncate table name. Now here I have taken the table name as animals. When you are executing this type of command, at that time what it does, it only removes the data which is present in the table. If there is already the table which is present in your database and the data is already present inside the existing table, and you only want to remove that data, at that time the truncate command is used. Truncate option is used under the DDL category. Now the third option is DML, that is data manipulation language. Okay. Now manipulation itself tells us something, that it is doing something with the data. Okay. Now what is the syntax of the delete option? That is delete from cease. Cease is the table name. Okay, here I have taken cease as the table name. So delete from cease. Now after that you can see the where clause. Here in the delete option you can use the where clause, that is delete from cease where city is equals to Andaman. Means I want to delete the record from the cease table where I have mentioned the city as Andaman. Okay. Now the purpose of this delete option is that it only removes the data from the table, and also it is remove the particular record from the table, and helps to remove. Okay, I forgot here to write this, and also helps to remove particular data from the table, particular record, you can say, from the table. Okay. If one particular record, single particular record, you can delete from the table with the help of this. This delete is having two purpose. Okay. Now let's execute. Now guys, as you can see on my screen, there are 4 number of tables present here. Already these 4 tables are present inside my database, and the data is also present inside it. Inside this table, I will show you that. See, this is my employee underscore details table. Now this is my student underscore details table. Now this is my student underscore details underscore 1 table, and this is my and this is my survey underscore details underscore 1 table. Okay, these are the 4 tables which is present inside my database. Now first I would like to show you that what is drop option and how it is playing there. Now the syntax is drop table table name. So let's see. So let's take like if I want to see I will take only this single table, that is select star from MP underscore details. Now I want to drop this table, that is drop table, and what is my table name? EMP underscore details. Okay. See, then what will happen? I have done this and I have just select this piece of code and hit the execute button. So commands completed successfully. That means what? If I try to see the data which is present inside the table, is it present? No. What it is giving me the error, that is invalid object name EMP underscore details. It shows that this database is not having any table which is having the name as EMP underscore detail. So drop command, what does drop command do? It has removed my data which was present inside this table, plus it has removed the structure of the table, means it has removed the complete table. If you try to do that command which helps to see the structure of the table, sp underscore help, and this was the table name. If you try to do this, at that time also you will definitely get the error. See this, and just hit the execute button. See, the object name EMP underscore detail does not exist in the database. This table is not exist, means it is not present inside my database. It is showing me that error, that is invalid error. Okay. So this is the thing. So this is how the drop option works. Okay. Drop option is used to remove the data inside the table as well as remove the entire table from the database. Used to delete the entire structure, entire table from the database. Okay. Structure of the table. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now let's move towards the next option, that is truncate, and its syntax is truncate table table name. Now let's see what it does. Now I will take this table name. See, I will take this table. Just execute button. See, you can see student underscore details table, and this is the data. Now I want to do truncate table table name. I want to use this option, truncate table and table name. What is my table name? Student underscore details. I'll take from here. See, so I have done this. Now I am just selecting this piece of code which I want to execute and hit the execute button. Commands completed successfully. What it shows me that the data inside the table will not be present. Let's see, is it present or not? Select star from student underscore details. See, not a single record is present inside the table. It means it has deleted all the data from my table, but it has not deleted my table because still I can see the column names which is present inside the table. Okay. So this is the thing how the truncate works. As I have already mentioned here, it is the syntax of the truncate, that is truncate table table name, and it on purpose is that it only removes the data from the table. That's it. Okay. Now what DML does? Okay. For DML we will take one table, that is student underscore details underscore 1. Okay. Now DML is having the syntax as delete from table name. So let's do delete from. Now I will do table name, that is student underscore details underscore 1. Then what happens? Let's see. I have selected this piece of code which I want to execute and hit the execute button. 5 rows are affected. This message is given to me. It means what? It has deleted the area data from the 5 rows because 5 rows were present inside the table. See, it has deleted all the 5 rows from the table, but it has not removed the table because I can literally see the column names here. Okay. Still I can see the column names, but it means it has not removed the structure of the table. It has only removed the data from the table. Okay. So this is the fun thing. And again the delete is used with the where clause. So what is where clause, how it is used, and all these things we are going to see in the further lecture very soon. So the syntax is delete from table name, where, and whatever condition you want to put. Okay. Now for this I need to take one more table because the data inside the table is not present. Achha, okay. Is it present here? See. I will take survey underscore details underscore 1. Now I will use where clause. With where clause I will use delete command. Survey. Okay. Delete from survey details underscore 1. Where survey ID. See, you can see the recommendation equals to, I want to delete the record of 101. Okay, now delete from table name, where column name equals to means I want to delete this specific record which is having the survey ID as 101. So I have written the syntax according to that, where after that I have written the condition that whose survey ID is 101, I want to delete that record. So that select this piece of code and hit the execute button. See, one row is affected. That means what? If you are trying to access this table by select star from table name, you can see 101 record is not present here. So as I have already mentioned here, that in the delete command will use to delete the entire only remove data from the table from this syntax, and it helps to remove the particular record from the table with the help of the where clause. Okay, so this is the basic difference between drop, delete and truncate. Drop, truncate and delete. Okay, as I have already mentioned here, difference between drop, delete and truncate. Okay, so this is the all thing, and these are the syntax and these are the purposes. If you are getting confused in any of this, please try to execute at your end. And if you are facing any kind of issue, any kind of doubt, if you are having in your mind while executing this or before this, please write down into the comment section. I will definitely look into it and answer to your question. If you are facing any kind of issue in any kind of query, please write it down into the comment section. I will definitely help you out. If you are liking my channel, if you are able to understand what I am explaining to you, then please go to my channel and subscribe my channel and like my video, so that every time you will get the notification of my video and you will able to learn more and more regarding the SQL software, and share with your friends. They will also able to learn this. So thank you so much guys for a very precious time, and have a nice day ahead.